It's in a town in Michigan. It's off US 12. There's a place called the Michigan Central. It's a little museum, and they got it parked outside.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm not trying to give you the bum rush, but I'm trying to take it all regional and talk.
Oh yeah, no, don't worry. I'm trying to follow my train.
Is that yours personally, or just
yeah, pretty much everything on there is mine, with the exception of this apartment.
Now, does your club work where you bring your own stuff and operate it? Is that how it goes?
Yeah, we got some club equipment too. Like pretty much everything in that classification yard is club equipment, so you can just run it. That includes the engines.
My friend and I have been to the place in Lennox. That's a nice layout too. And you know what? I have dreams that I'm going to make something like this. Yeah. My dream started in 1980 when I bought about $2,000.
It is Saturday morning, November 16th, 2024, Calumet Park, Chicago, Illinois. This is the Lake Shore Model Railroad Association layout. We've just been watching an Elgin, Joliet and Eastern freight train. Again, Saturday morning, November 16th, 2024, Calumet Park, Chicago, Lake Shore Model Railroad Association open house, over and out.